Children of class 10, today we are going to learn chapter 18, mean, exercise 18a, page number 189. And today we are going to learn mean by shortcut method. In the last two videos we learned mean by direct method. But today we are going to learn shortcut method. So mean equal to a plus summation of fd by summation of f. This is the formula of mean by shortcut method. Now I want to say one thing. In the examinations they will ask you to find mean by naming a method. So your wish will not work that I will find mean by only one method. If you have such intentions, then this is a wrong thinking, because they will ask you the question naming the method. That means if they have asked you to find mean by shortcut method, you cannot find mean by direct method. That's why we have to learn all three methods. So first is direct method, second is shortcut method, and third is step deviation method. After this we are going to learn step deviation method. So you have to learn mean by all three methods. So today we are going to learn by second method, that is shortcut method. Question number 10. In a class of 60 boys, the marks were as under, like the 60 boys have scored some marks. So you have to find the mean by shortcut method. You have to find mean marks by shortcut method. Actually the question table was too long, so directly I have written in the solution. These two columns were in the question, marks and students, and now same two columns it was given in horizontal form, and here in the solution I have written in vertical form. So marks is like this, 10 to 20 marks, 10 students have scored like that, 20 to 30, 25 students, 30 to 40 marks, 12 students, 40 to 50 marks, 8 students, 50 to 60 marks, 5 students. So overall summation of f, that is addition of f, is 60. As in the question also it is 60, and here also it is 60, and obviously it will be same. Now this also you know, class mark means the middle point of these marks, that is 10 to 20, what is the middle marks? That is 15. 20 to 30, what is the middle? 25. Similarly I have written for everyone, 50 to 60 is 55. So like that I have written. Now you can see one new thing in this shortcut method. In the class mark, that is the value of x, that column, you can see here I have written a. A means assumed mean. A means assumed mean. Assumed mean here means, what is the meaning of that? If you take the middle class mark, like you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are there in this x column, that is class mark column. So who is the middle number? The middle number is 35. So when we take the middle number, that particular value is called assumed mean. One more thing I want to say. Had there been two numbers in the middle, suppose upper part 2 number, lower part 2 number, and in the middle 2 numbers, in that case what we do, any out of 2, 1 we have to take. But here exactly 35 is a middle number. So our a, that means assumed mean, will be 35. Now this is a column of d, and d value comes with the help of x minus a. That means if we subtract x with a, then that particular column is called d, where d means difference between x minus x and a. That means x minus a is equal to d. As we all know, a value is 35. So that 35 I wrote here, a equal to 35, and d ka value will be, now d's value will be x minus a. Now you can see here, these all numbers are called value of x, and the value of a is 35. So what we will do here, how minus 20 came, I want to show you. Like in the rough you can go, d is x minus a. Now you can see here, who is x in this column? 15. And who is a? 35. So 15 minus 35 is minus 20. So minus 20 came this way. That means 15 minus 35 is minus 20. Similarly 25 minus 35 is minus 10. And in this column 35 gets subtracted with 35 itself. 35 minus 35 is 0. Now 45 minus 35 is 10. and 55 minus 35 is 20. Here I have done in the rough also, like x minus a, d is, so 45 minus 35, that means I have done for this column 45 minus 35 equal to 10. That 10 I wrote here. So that means we have to subtract this a with x and we have to write the answers. And now FD means multiplying D and F column. This is D column, this is F column. 10 into minus 20 minus 200, 25 into minus 10 minus 250, 12 into 0 0, 8 into 10 80, 5 into 20 100. Now as in the formula, you know, we have to find summation of FD and summation of F. That means I have to add FD column and F column. So F column is 60 and FD column, what we have to do, minus we have to add and keep like this, minus 450, minus 200 minus 250 is minus 450, and 80 plus 100 180. So minus number is larger and plus number is smaller. So our final result 450 minus 180 is minus 270. So that I wrote here. Now I am applying the formula mean with the shortcut method, that is a plus summation of FD by summation of F. A is 35. Here you can see A is 35. Here also I have written, here also 35 plus FD, summation of FD is minus 270, minus 270. Summation of F is 60, 60. Now this plus and this minus is minus. Plus into minus is minus. 35 minus 0, 0 cancelled, 27 by 6. And 27 when we can divide by 6, answer is 4.5. So 35 minus 4.5 is 30.5 marks. So this particular method, please, I have clicked some examples also and I have given you one homework. Please do that question as homework. Thank you, children.